What do you have to say to your... Oh, move. What do you have to say to your... What do you have to say to your... What do you have to say to your subscribers?
Guys, don't forget.
Sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Okay, so, hi vlog. Ma, so give a little...
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel again. Masyadong malapit.
Naka-wide din.
Layo doon. Layo.
Hindi ka naman maririnig.
Grocery kami ngayon from Cashless. Here in Harmon. So, let's keep on watching. Again. Hindi niyo binigay yung regalo niyo kay dad niyo. Hinaintay niyo dad yung regalo.
Hala ko mamaya pa.
Okay, sige.
I thought late.
Sa unahan. Here mo. Okay, what's this? What? Tonkatsu.
Black garlic. This one, rose artificial beef flavor.
Ito parang masarap to.
Black garlic?
Oo.
You have tonkatsu already? Oh, sige.
Tonkatsu.
Katsu! You can reach.
The first time I saw like this one. Ovaltine.
What's your history with Ovaltine? All you're gonna do is wave. That's it. Oh, what else do I have to say? Come on, keep up. Oh, you're just like that.
No, what is? I don't eat this. 93.
Oh, this is hummus. This is.
What?
It's like peanut.
No, I don't like it.
Wanna try this?
I don't like that.
You tried this with
I don't like it. Fine. It's a dip, I think.
Yeah, it's a dip.
You want to get one?
Yeah, let's try. We don't have chips though.
Oh, they will buy chips. We have chips there.
Which
You
one?
still have the chips there, right?
Okay, let's this one. The roasted garlic one.
Roasted garlic, I think will do.
Or how about classic?
No, I like the roasted garlic.
Roasted
This
garlic.
one, yeah.
The one you didn't open. So this looks like good. Kate, can you push? Can you push? Did we get to eat the pickles at home or no?
Yeah, remember we bought it like that?
I want to make stuffing, but I don't know the ingredient.
Fruit cocktail.
What's that? Is that
Fruit cocktail.
today?
Stop!
You're always on your phone.
No, you're always on your phone.
You have one job. That's to push the cart.
I'm pushing the cart.
It's your beloved husband's birthday.
Oh my.
Do you have any surprises for him?
Secret! That's a secret!
Look into the camera.
That's a secret! Layo na nga, dito yung tubang ko.
Do a TikTok dance right over there.
Yes?
Yes. Do I just keep on recording or? Oh, it's just going on and on. Because you have... Is this like from America?
You like the Parmesan?
Yeah? The web spaghetti. It's $11.
And yeah, you look for the experience.
Huh. Bargain. That looks though. I think we're good. Hello. Stop it. Never mind. That's no the one that you bought is better. This is Candice.
No, it's $10.
No, I like the white mushroom. Oh, we already have.
Three hours later.
First time ko ulit gumawa nito. For almost how many years? Yan. Meron tayong buko. Meron guys na bibili dito buko sa bote. O kaya naka-preserve. Yan. Makapuno. Ito, nasa glass yung buko namin. Nasa glass. Nasa bote. Yan. Cheese. Nalagyan ko guys ang cheese, ang aking buko salad. Para medyo may konting alat-alat. Velveta yung nilagay ko. Velveta. Kaong and nata. Yan guys, ang kaong at nata dito ko. Haluin natin. Haluin natin siya. Gatas. Stop. That's enough. Nestle cream. And Nestle cream. Yummers. Yung po ay request ng aking husband. In lieu of ice cream, para tansya-tansya lang ang sweetness niya. Okay. So, hindi ko po siya nilagyan ng maraming gatas, guys. Yun. So,
Ready to begin?
tikim agad. Guys, this is the boiled stuffing. So, my son is trying to make stuffing. First time niyang gawin to. So, let's see kung masarap siya. Guys, this is the ingredients. Celery, cut into that big. Look at this. Yan. Tapos bacon. Tapos garlic and onion. So, he's now cooking. So, guys, we're going to put first the butter. Guys, this is my son. Can you explain to us what are you going to do?
So I will be cooking bacon-based stuffing. So this is the stuffing already. It's already cooked. But we're gonna mix some bacon and celery and garlic and onion with it. So it has that vegetable-y feel.
Okay, guys, that's now the butter.
So first, we're gonna saute the bacon. Right. So this is very different on how everyone usually cooks their stuffing. Right? Which one goes first, the onion or the garlic?
Onion. Tinuruan ako, guys. Tinuruan ako magluto ng anak ko. Tapos pinagsabay niya. Ano yan? Char!
Actually, pinagsabay kasi magkasama sila sa isang ano. And actually, just saute. Wait for them to brown.
It's now sauteing the bacon, garlic, and onion.
You make it.
Put the celery.
So I actually followed a recipe from Tasty.
Shout out to Tasty. And what they said is 1.5 tablespoons.
Rosemary.
Rosemary salt na yata yun na.
Hmm?
Rosemary salt. Nakahanap natin na.
Rosemary and garlic.
Oh, garlic. Tama. Okay.
And thyme.
I don't like thyme.
You're gonna like it this time around. Oh my gosh. There we go. It smells like Thanksgiving.
Really? Really, my dear son. Yan po ang aking cook. Pasensya na po kayo, magulo ang kitchen dahil yung asawa ko ay nagluluto naman ng menudo. Yan.
Kasi mas who handles in the kitchen between Dad and I?
We're going to beat 2 eggs. And we're going to put the broth.
Maybe
broth.
we have a whisk.
And can you see? The broth and the egg. There, yeah. How many minutes is that? The celery and the bacon. Until cooked? Until the celery is cooked.
Then
Then, we're going to put the egg.
we're gonna put them here. All here.
Which one? Here? We're going to combine everything here. Okay, guys, so we're going to put the egg, 2 eggs, and the chicken broth.
The chicken broth's already here.
So, yan, ganyan ang itsura niya, guys. We're going to put the bacon, celery, sauteed in garlic and onion. Yeah. So, mix it. Almost too many, anak. Many, anak. Okay, that's my son cooking for Thanksgiving.
And we bake all of this.
And then after this, guys, what's the next? What's next?
We're gonna bake it.
We're gonna bake it. A little bit of
Salt for
salt
taste.
to taste and pepper, black pepper, guys. Very simple. And then once again. That's what it look like, guys. So lalagay niya ngayon dito sa ating tray para i-bake niya yan, guys. Okay.
Bake for
This guy-
25 Fahrenheit.
How many?
For 25 Fahrenheit, 30 minutes covered.
25 Fahrenheit. And then bake in 25.
Bake,
Bake in
bake 30 minutes
30
covered.
minutes. And for how many Fahrenheit?
1 hour later.
Things in this roast chicken, guys. Ang aming turkey, hindi siya lumaki. Naging pandakekot na turkey, kaya yan na lang ang aming gagawin. Yan! May stuffing siya sa loob. Minsan, tali mo ng okay, anak. Okay, and then close it. Close it here. Paya kay kuya!
6 hours later.
Hi guys! Close natin ang vlog. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. We cook everything for our Thanksgiving. And it's the first time my son cooked the stuffing. And ang ating tiny turkey. O, diba? Yun lang yun. Okay? Close na natin ang vlog, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you don't have it yet. And see you in my next one. Please don't forget, be good, honest, and real because God loves us always. Guys, may shoutout po pala ako ulit. Shoutout to Von Samson sa Ireland and to Ray Hernandez sa North Carolina. Hi guys! Von, pare! Thank you so much! Keep in touch, okay? To my next video. Stay safe guys! Bye! Happy Thanksgiving! Guys, my next see you on share and subscribe if you don't have yet. Please like.